From a Google trend spike to depleting supply, multiple catalysts have been hunting at more upside for Ethereum. Three market catalysts suggested that Ethereum's native token Ethereum is well positioned to reach $40,000 this month. Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Live. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notification. Internet users' interest in Ethereum's upcoming network upgrade, dubbed the merge, surged substantially in the week ending April 2, Google Trends data shows. Searches for the keywords Ethereum merge reached a perfect Google Trends scores of 100 on a 12-month time frame, with most traffic coming from the US, Singapore, Canada, and Australia. Merge, also called Ethereum 2.0, refers to the Ethereum's network's full transitions to proof of stake from proof of work, a development that had been attributed as one of the major catalysts behind Ethereum's rebound from $2,500 March 14 to over $3,500 this week. The bullish outlook stems from merge's proposals to the reduced Ethereum issuance rate, leading to a possible supply peak in the total number of the ETH in circulation, with the proof of work mining Ethereum supply has grown by 3% every year. The spike in public interest for Ethereum's merge suggested there is a growing buzz among crypto investors and the traders as the Ethereum upgrade nears. Last month's launch of the CAN is the final public testnet before the whole network transitions to proof of stake sometime this year. Notably, net Ether reserves across all the exchanges have dropped to their lowest level since August 2018, suggesting that traders have been withdrawing ETH en masse to hold them long-term or to stake them across DeFi liquidity pools. So what's more, the number of the addresses with a non-zero balance continued to rise, suggesting growing adoptions and the distributions of ETH. Chances of Ethereum price reaching $4,000 in April are also boosted by a classical technical pattern. Dubbed symmetrical triangle, the pattern usually forms when the price consolidates sideways inside a range defined by a lowering upper trend line and a rising lower trend line, following a sharp move upside or downside. In an ideal scenario, the triangle resolves after the price breaks in the direction of its previous trend and thus is considered a continuation pattern. However, symmetrical triangle breakouts do not necessarily result in a continuation trend. For instance, in the book Technical Analysis of Stock Trends, technical analysts Robert Edwards and John Magee note that 25% of all symmetrical triangle breakouts leads to reversal. For example, the price do not break in the direction of its previous trend, thus defying anticipations. Ethereum current breakout appears to be a reversal as it bounces to the upside instead of the continuation its previous trends to the downside as shown in the chart. A symmetrical triangle potential breakout target is calculated after measuring the maximum length between the pattern's upper and lower trend line, and then adding the results to its breakout point. This puts the Ethereum USD bullish target at nearly $4,000. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those out of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of the Crypto Live. Each investment and trading move involve risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. $4,000 is an essential level for Ethereum. Not only has it been a critical resistance and support, but is also a crucial psychological level, and Ethereum has not seen its site once since the beginning of this year. However, there is a fair chance that it could happen before 9 April, but if it doesn't, then Ethereum investors might have to wait until the next month for the same to occur. Trading at $3,493, Ethereum is only a 14.78% away from $4,000. What may sound like it's pretty close, it actually isn't. While skyrocketing highs are typical for cryptocurrencies, they usually occur with the coin that have much lesser valuations, not with the second biggest cryptocurrency in the world. To put things into perspective, understand that throughout the recent rally, which lasted over 19 days, Ethereum only gained a 38.23%. However, at the same time, it is this bullishness that also make it possible to climb 14% in the next 7 days. Price indicator Bollinger Bonds do indicate the possibility of a sustainable rise since the base is currently acting as supports for the candle. The last time this supports lasted for more than the 10 days, Ethereum witnessed a rise over 60 and 90%. Furthermore, since Ethereum is in active squeeze rise, the indicator is displaying bullishness across the board. Even though it seems to be slightly wearing off in the past, Ethereum has still managed to rise, which is what is keeping the hopes alive. Further backing, this is the net unrealized profits of Ethereum. As per the indicator, this is the few days Ethereum managed to enter the bullish zone of the belief. Historically, an entry into this space is followed by the sustainable rally for the while, which is how Ethereum is expected to hit $4,000. On top of that, an immediate trend reversal is unlikely since Ethereum is far away from marking a market top. Market top occurs when more than 95% of the total supply happens to be in profit. Since that figure is currently standing at 88.79%, there is no reason to worry about a market top and time zone. But the possibility of a consolidation does loom over the altcoin since its RSI is breaching the overbought zone. It might overextend in that zone for a while, but pretty soon, the uptrend will flip. If this happens and Ethereum fails to cross $4,000, expect the same to happen in the many unless and the external development pushes the price up. Thanks for watching Crypto Live. If you haven't already, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on post notification, so you will never miss any of our future fascinating and interesting video like that one. See you next time.